start this project, you are going to take a 2x4 and cut 3 pieces from it. You are going to cut a 5.5 inch piece, a 4.5 inch piece, and a 3 3/4 inch piece. Once you have them cut, you should have a stack like this. Now it is time to sand all of your pieces. I am using these wood files. To begin painting, start with your black acrylic paint and bowl and your paintbrush. Make sure after you've poured your paint into your container that you give your blocks a light but even coat. Now pick out your scrapbook paper so that all 3 of your different patterns fit together. Measure your block and cut strips from your paper. After you finish that, measure down the strips of paper so that they fit the side of the blocks. Take some Mod Podge and begin adding the pieces of paper to the long sides of the blocks. Next, take some brown crafter's paint and some Mod Podge, and this will be our little stained effect on our block. Add it to the edges of your block, and now we'll be moving on to creating the words for your block sign. I will be doing this in Cricut. Don't forget to measure your blocks again for your words, and you will want your words to be slightly smaller than your pieces of paper. And then I will be using the permanent black Orcal vinyl today. After you finish designing, cut it out on your Cricut. Now weed it and cut each line with its own strip, add transfer tape, and put it on to its individual piece. And then take Mod Podge to seal in the vinyl. Take some tacky glue to glue your blocks together. Next, take gold ribbon and wrap your blocks and tie the ribbon in a knot. Alright, so I bought this variety pack of buttons and I chose these 2 for my block sign. So take some tacky glue and glue them on. After you finish gluing these on, let them dry and then your block sign will be done. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below your thoughts.